Oh man, is it cold out here. Welcome back to Woodworker Express, where we are counting down to the holidays. Each and every day of this month, I will be showing you a product from our website that will make a spectacular gift for one of your family members, friends, or even neighbors. And this is the second day of this series, so be sure if you missed yesterday's, go back and check it out on our Facebook page or on our YouTube channel. Okay, so today's product is the Rev-A-Shelf pegboard system. This pegboard system is available in multiple size options to fit just about any drawer in someone's kitchen. Available in maple, walnut, and even gray. These pegboards are perfect for holding dishes and pots and pans and you name it, and keeps them from rolling around and moving. Not to mention there are also multiple accessories available, such as canister organizers, lid organizers, and even pan organizers. This pegboard system will make the perfect gift for anyone that knows their way around the kitchen. And all the products I'm talking about in this video are listed down below in the description or up above in the description, depending on where you're watching this. So as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow with another great gift idea, and be sure to visit Woodworker Express.com for all of your woodworking and kitchen organization needs.